Hello everyone, how are you doing? Mariluz, makeup artist here. Originally was Style Maria, pero yeah, we're changing the name, so Mariluz, makeup artist. So we're gonna do a natural look. As you can see, very simple, nothing here, and that's what we're gonna work on. So, and we're actually working with one of my favorite palettes, James Charles. Okay, awesome. So let's get started. Favorite eyelashes to use, brands that I've used on all my clients, it's always been the Kiss brand, because I love how they feel so natural. They're not as heavy for your eye, especially for a lot of new people out there who are getting themselves into wearing eyelashes. This would be the eyelash that I recommend. They also do have individuals, which is a 3 set to apply. I do a lot of those, especially on brides, moms of the bride, and I do a lot of those just because they do want to have some eyelashes. They just don't want to have the strip because it feels a little heavy on them. Then again, like I mentioned, the Kiss ones will not make you feel that, and I always get great reviews from it, so try them out. Kiss brand. So here we go. I did put some glue. On this look, I did not add eyeliner. So we're working with no eyeliner today. Just eyelashes to kind of bring the eye a little bit more. Enhance it to like a little bit more nice without me adding all the eye liner on it. We like to add, once again, to attach your lash with the lashes. Now the front part did not stick. I think I moved it too quickly. You can actually use eyelashes quite a few times. I think I use mine about 5 to 8 times, and I think these are about to be the last worn, because then they'll start bending and little pieces, and so I think this may be the last time. Just a little end. I'm not coming all the way up. I'm trying to do a very natural eye look, so I do not want to close my eye as much. So we just kind of check. And then we do the rest of the face. I do a lot of correcting on my face for the under eye, and sometimes a little blemishes and stuff like that. So I do a lot of correcting. Not everyone has to do this, but this is my routine that I do. questions, comments, or any ideas of things you would like for me to do for you. Again, my tutorials are actually a little different than what you see out there. I am actually trying to sometimes just focus on certain parts of your makeup routine, not completely give you a full face, just because I feel like sometimes we just need to, maybe we just want to see an eye look and don't necessarily need to see the whole process. So I'm trying to do a few things different, and I hope you enjoy. And I'm using this for the face. This, but depending on the foundation you use, sometimes they already have it where it's strong, where you do not need to add this extra on there. But I like to always do that to lighten some parts of my face. The translucent powder. And then I like to use to contour.